So, hello everyone. I am Anupam. Welcome back to the Python for Absolute Beginner series. अगर आप Python बिल्कुल जीरो से सीख रहे हो, तो ये सीरीज आपके लिए परफेक्ट है. So, as you know, in the previous lesson, we learned about Python variables and data types. और आज के लेसन 3 में हम सीखेंगे Python operators. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, ऑपरेटर्स प्रोग्रामिंग का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होते हैं क्योंकि इन्हीं के हेल्प से हम कैलकुलेशंस, कंपैरिजन और लॉजिकल डिसीजंस कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. What are operators? सबसे पहले समझते हैं ऑपरेटर्स क्या होते हैं. Operators are special symbols that perform variables and values that performs operations on variables and values. In simple words, जैसे मैथ्स में हम यूज करते हैं एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, वैसे ही पाइथन में भी हम ऑपरेटर्स डेटा पर ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं. So there are four types of operators. First one is arithmetic operators, and second one is comparison operator, and third one is logical operator, and fourth one is assignment operator. So the first one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators math calculations के लिए use होते हैं, in which there is a seven type of arithmetic operators. The first one is addition operator, that is used to add two numbers, like a is equal to 10 plus 5. Then we print a, then we get output 15. The second one is subtraction. It subtracts one number from another, like a is equal to 10 minus 3. Then we print a, then we get print output 7. In third, multiplication multiplies two numbers. A is equal to 4 into 3. Then we print, then we get output is equal to 12. In 4, division, it divides numbers, like a is equal to 10 divided by 2. Then we print, then we get 5 output. In 5, modulus means when we divide any number like 10 divided by 3, then we get remainder is equal to 1. Like 3 into 3 means 9. The quotient is 3, then we get remainder is 1. Okay, so the sixth one is exponent power operation, means a is equal to 2 double power into 3, means the output is 8, means 2 into 2 4, then we multiply 4 into 2, then we get 8. 4 into 8, 4 into 2, then we get 8. In 7, floor division, quotient will be without decimal, means 10 floor division by 3, like we divide 10 divided by 3, then we get 3 quotient. Okay, without decimal. So the next one is comparison operator. Comparison operator two values को compare करते हैं. In this operator we compare two values, okay, and we get a result in return true or false. The important comparison operators are equal to operator, that checks if two values are equal, like a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, means print a is equal to b, that the condition is true. Okay, so the second one is not equal to 2, checks if values are different. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3, means the both values are different. So print a is not equal to b, then the condition is true, that is correct. And third one is greater than, checks if left value is larger, means a is equal to b and b is equal to 5, then print a is greater than b, the condition is true, means a value is 8 and b value is 5, the condition is always true. And fourth one is less than, checks if left value is smaller, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5, then print a is greater than b, the condition is true, then because it fulfills the conditions. So the fifth one is greater or equal, checks if left is larger or equal, a is equal to 5 or b is equal to 5, print a is greater than equal to b, then the condition is true. And sixth one is less or equal. Checks if left is smaller or equal. A is equal to 4 or B is equal to 5. Print A is less than B is equal to B. The condition is true because A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. So then we go in third one, that is logical operator. Logical operators हम condition combine करने के लिए use करते हैं. Like there are three main logical operators. As you also remember in digital electronics, we learn like AND gate or not. That is similar to, okay. So AND is used for that returns true if both conditions are true. Age is equal to 20 is underscore student is equal to true, means the condition is true. Or returns true if at least one condition is true, means has underscore ticket is equal to false, is underscore VIP is equal to true, means the condition is the if at least one condition is true, then the condition is true. And third one is not. It inverts the boolean value, means is underscore raining true, print not is not equal to is underscore raining. The output is false, means it reverses the result, okay. And fourth one is assignment operator. Assignment operators values को variables को values assign करते हैं, means assignment operator are used to assign values to variables, okay. In this there are six type of assignment operators. First one is simple assignment. In this assignment assigns a value to a variable. X is equal to 10, y is equal to x, means y becomes 10. X is equal to means the condition is y is equal to x, that means x is equal to 10, then we get y becomes 10, okay. So the second one is addition assignment. It adds and assigns. X is equal to 5, x greater than equal to 3, means x becomes 8. When we add 5 plus 3, then the answer is 8, same as x is equal to x plus 3, mean x is a value like 5, then we 5 plus 3, then we get 8, that's the answer. So in third, subtraction assignment, it subtracts and assign. X is equal to 10, x is less than equal to 4, x becomes 6. So in fourth, multiplication assignment, it multiplies and assigns. X is equal to 3 or x is multiply equal to 4, means x becomes 12. X is equal to x into 4. When we put in the place of x 3, then 3 into 4, then the result is 10 or 12. So in next in fifth, division assignment, it divides and assigns. X is equal to 15, x divide equal to 3, means x become 5, same as x is equal to x divided by 3, means x the value of 15, 15 divided by 3, then we get 5, okay. And last one is modulus assignment. X is equal to 10, then x modulus is equal to 3, x becomes 1, same as x is equal to x modulus 3. In the place of x, when we 10, then we get a remainder is equal to 1. That is known as modulus assignment, okay. So at the last आज के लेसन में हमने सीखा असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर्स, कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर, लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर और असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. सो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं ऑपरेटर्स प्रोग्रामिंग का फाउंडेशन होते हैं. इनकी हेल्प से हम कैलकुलेशन और डिसीजन मेकिंग कर सकते हैं. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो कीप like the video, comment if you have any doubts, then I resolve it, okay. And subscribe for more tutorials. Next lesson में हम सीखेंगे Python conditional statement, that is if elif else, okay. Thank you, keep subscribing and keep supporting.